If you're a home buyer who's become frustrated with the lack of inventory and just can't find the home that meets all your needs, we have a possible solution for you. How many homes have you looked at that were like 70, maybe 80% right for you, but it needed something? Maybe it was cosmetic or maybe it was more, but it just didn't fit you or your family's needs. A great solution for this is our renovation loan. Now, this is a standard 30-year conventional loan, and unlike construction loans, you can do as little as 5% down, and for some buyers, that can go as low as 3% down. Now, this nugget of a loan allows you to hire a contractor to come in and renovate the home to your liking. The process is simple. You coordinate with the contract the renovations you want. We get an appraisal subject to those renovations, and then we close the loan, and you have up to 12 months to renovate the home. It combines the best of both worlds with a construction loan and a conventional mortgage. So while others are passing over homes with good bones, you can snag it up and make that home right for you. Get with us today and see if this renovation option is right for you.